actually called the Hapaday Ranch. And I put this up for an uncle of mine that was staying in St. Luke's for about 3 years. And every weekend he cried because he never got to leave St. Luke's. No? So I ended up buying this place in and he would spend the weekends here. Felix Kumatao, he was a retired policeman from Guam, and he would come here and cut the grass and cook just for the weekend. So I also offer to you guys as well, no? Especially if you're staying in St. Louis or the hospital for a long time and you want to get out of the city, you're always welcome to come here. But when you come here, we call it LA Ranch, not Holiday Ranch. LA, right? Hello, LA, right? That's yeah. So anytime you, your families or your friends are wanting to get out of the city, you can come up, no charge, no? Just what you do here, enjoy. That's the only thing I ask. Just enjoy your time here.
Thank you. You from Guam?
Yes, I am. I'm Peter Nelson's son from TCC.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I left Guam about 20 years ago, and I started my own business in the Philippines. That's $50 hour.
Oh, wow. $500, okay.
I'm hired. Our culture, our islands with product. We sell our product to the tourists. No? I'm trying to do the same thing with Guam as well.
Okay na.
Yeah, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I made it especially for you guys this morning.
Halungin to tao. Magtiyan na mera Ali Farm. Yang sirsil kayo kay ala dito na mera mga group. Ka ada Guam. Then mga tiyan mo tumalo yung rakam na nemo. Na develop ni man mo hill stairs. Maral klabo ko lang. Argum mo may sa tiyan ang hinendan ako mabibig ka siya sa ray kilala ko ng yang hindi kayo na entrance sa mga ni ang maral lumin maral flow akan maral relaxing ako man mo rin was dito pedal master vela or other vela sa din mer oay ganyo fitness man klabo ko man tangat tiran asa pang sabihin mer oay ganyo mes
Well, baka mamatil nga rasa silang kayo dal adarapwa, malakiliyat yan. Balura, hulis pinag na mo. Hindi ang rakalangan yan. Kaya kita yung mga niya sir, hindi kuming yung kati ako nga lang sir, sa mga pwede mga rin. Ali Farm, ako mga klala Ali Farm. Malinis sa asar mo korni, lang pagto ka lo malaringi, kasi ka nga lang along hindi ka kikoragay. Kaya kita ay dalal laro lang malinis sa robot, robot, abis pati nga ladalong lagay dalal sa process games. Kaya kita ladalong magpwestirat putya. Kung nga vela, magpagura tinga dalabo malinis sa kapitira dalom. Kaya kita sila nga turak, klaro, and malmaralungin ko si, klaro kalantangan si Aklay, mag-uwing ko sa stay, kaya malukit, matalak ko ang rastawa, ang rahman ko. Kaya lang belang ko rabi iloy, kaya nga after may tiyan sa maklaro, kaya nung befi rasto ko lakso, kaya ba segal, kaya mo kita agar belang mong wirang malutok-tok, kaya naman hindi ka ko rabi abandan, kaya di ako ko rabi care, hindi ako tingin na segal sa ikaramulal, mo maklog ko talel, kasi, marwaya dal mandir dal kutmok, hindi mo makali barway gaya, hindi umrot, hindi nga doon katamalate, hindi ka na borba, pero hindi rin yung tementil araw, awot, may potoro rin yun na to.
I don't know who's kissing who.
Hindi,